Welcome to this quick tutorial on managing parameters in AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store. SSM Parameter Store is a secure and convenient way to store configuration information, secrets, and other sensitive data. Let's dive in. First, let's navigate to the Systems Manager service. From here, select Parameter Store. To create a new parameter, simply click on Create Parameter. Here, we can specify a name for our parameter, choose a type, string, StringList, or SecureString, and provide a value. For sensitive information, we can select SecureString and encrypt it using AWS KMS. Once created, we can easily retrieve the parameter value using the AWS CLI, SDKs, or CloudFormation templates. By using SSM Parameter Store, we can securely store and manage our configuration information, making our deployments more flexible and secure. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your parameters in AWS SSM Parameter Store. Thank you for watching.